I don't know about you guys, but I just end up having way too many vegetables in my bin. So today I'm going to show you how to make roasted veggies. This recipe is colorful, nutritious, simple, and let's not forget, delicious. Let me show you how it's done. Don't think too hard or you'll miss it. All you need is your vegetables, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Preheat your oven to 425, and while that's warming up, let's go ahead and cut our veggies. Now, you can do this one of two ways. If you want to roast your veggies whole, like whole Brussels sprouts or the garlic cloves, you will have to cook them at different times to allow them to cook all the way through. Click the link below for a full list of veggies and the cook times for each. Or you can cut all your veggies in small bite-sized pieces and then cook them at the same time, which is what I'm going to show you today. Whatever vegetables you have, make sure you wash them thoroughly or remove the skins. Today I'm using Brussels sprouts, some garlic cloves, broccoli, sweet potatoes, carrots, and red and yellow bell peppers. Remember, we want bite-sized pieces, so I'm cutting my Brussels sprouts in half. You can quarter them if you like, but we want all the pieces to be small and about the same size so that they can cook evenly. What's going to bring this all together? Garlic. I'm going to slice it down the middle, lay it on my sheet pan, and it's going to add so much flavor to the other veggies while it's cooking. All right, our veggies are cut up. I'm going to lay them on a sheet tray in single rows. No specific order, but try to vary the colors so that they can create a rainbow effect. Make sure your vegetables are coated evenly in your olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then we're going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're cooked throughout. Ooh, this is beautiful. We are all done. You can pair this with the main dish, or you can make this your main dish and have a side of rice with it. Also, if you want to jazz it up a bit, drizzle some balsamic vinaigrette glaze or honey, and it will just add on to those flavors. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.